Video 4. So, identifying the people who compromise the core audience is essential in formulating relevant ideas. Whoever determines the audience and writes the brief evaluates many factors and criteria, including the audience demographic, psychographic, lifestyle, or behavioral profile. The term demographic means selected population characteristics. Some common variables, including age, sex, gender, income, education, homeownership, marital status, race, and religion, psychographic profiles, and are any type of attributes relating to personality, attitudes, interests, values, or lifestyles. Behavioral variables refer to things such as brand loyalty or the frequency of a product's use. They can also include activities that these people perform either individually or as a group, such as blogging, dancing, soccer, or soccer. In digital media, social media, we can effectively narrowcast or target small, relevant audience to audiences. People are attracted visually to images that show cultures to which they belong to, such as an ad for AARP. The target audience is an older generation. Therefore, using a well-known actress that is older and culturally familiar to the viewers will attract their attention. It can be argued that all communication is persuasive. Situations such as getting children to brush their teeth, posting on social media, interacting at a work meeting, even discussing what restaurant to try can all be considered persuasive. Rarely do we communicate without attempting to get someone to think or act a certain way. Emotional images can appeal to the viewer's emotion and lead them toward a change of mind or behavior. This is extremely valuable to businesses and organizations. Media critic and journalist Walter Lippmann stresses the importance of images in affecting a person's attitude due to the way images are more likely to be recognized and ignite emotional bonds. Persuasive images are used daily on social media. When describing ourselves to the social world, we inevitably use the very best image of ourselves. We visually frame ourselves in the best light. In this way, we can persuade others regarding our most beautiful and pleasant attributes. Another use of persuasive images on social media is marketing. Images are used to display items, products, and services. These images are used to attract the eyes of viewers. Social media users must consider that you only have a sliver of a moment to catch the eye of a potential client. Using images that use culturally familiar visuals is also helpful. So I have here a photo and the logo, Stop Racism. The fist a lot of people see when they're talking about resisting a certain movement such as racism. A Caucasian and African American person here are locked together should catch the eye of many people. Here we have the logo and the picture. I chose this because we've got some racial slurs and stereotypical things that people in India are called. And things such as these racial slurs typically catch the eye of anyone. Usually people are taken aback by those kind of things. So that is why I chose those.